Yeah, I just got finished tearing out the skin. It's going back on the truck right now. I'm gonna start welding in a moment. This is just sitting out my little tent here because I don't know how hot it is, but it feels like we're well in the 90s, bro. All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to put the skin cover on the bed. Use these self tappers, line up your bed, drill them in. It's easy to go, just matching the holes where the plugs were removed. Just finished putting self tappers on the side. You can tell it goes the whole length. And on the side like that as well. Next stop, welding.